welcome to Super TV Time channel. Today's offering presenting to you by Pankaj Saha of Super TV Time. So let's watch and listen to today's presentation of Super TV Time. Why dogs bark at night? At the night progresses, the dog cries in the neighborhood. But why? You will be surprised to know the scientific reason. And yes, before watching and listening, let me say one thing. How did you feel watching and listening to the session? Definitely tell in the comment box. But if you like it, share it and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon of our channel. Then you can see and listen to the next submission. The dog screams in the middle of the night. It seems as if the dog is crying. That voice is big. The chest is cut. Something really bad happened. Many people believe that the dog's cry is bad. Many believe that a dog's cry in the middle of the night is a sign of someone's death. People also believe that dogs can see these embodied spirits and cry when they see a ghost at night. But these arguments have no scientific basis. Superstition science say otherwise. Why dogs cry in the middle of the night? No, the scientific explanation. Dogs howl at night to attract human attention. Studies have shown that when dogs leave their old areas and come to new areas, they are sad, and because of that sadness, dogs cry at night. Dogs cry in the middle of the night despite being separated from their human family many times. Dogs cry at night when they are injured, in an accident, or when they are unwell. Tell your partner the reason for this crying. Also, dogs call at night to alert other dogs, even if dogs come from other areas. On seeing something unusual, the dogs begin to cry out, which sound like a cry. Even dogs are afraid. That fear increases with age. Insecurity is increasing. Because of that fear, sometimes the dog cries in the middle of the night. Dogs also cry for the lack of a mate or the death of a mate. According to astrology, dogs cry only when they sense the presence of an incorporeal spirit around them, which cannot be seen or felt by ordinary people. That's why when dogs cry, people try to drive them away. But science says otherwise. According to scientists, dogs don't cry at night. It's their call. By calling like this at night, he tries to convey a message to his companions who are far away. In this way, his location is announced to his companions.